Good morning. Hello, hi, Adab or Sat Shri Akal. Welcome back in Creative Canvas Exploring Career Series. Today, we're going to talk about fashion. And I think fashion is not only about costume, glamour, glittering, paparazzi. It's actually about your persona, your personality, comfortability, and most importantly, your attitude and style. Today, I brought you the guest of immense experience and great personality, Miss Darshana Billa. Ma'am, good morning. How are you? I'm very warm welcome here in Creative Canvas Exploring Career Series.
Thanks so much. It's a great pleasure to be here.
Definitely, pleasure is all our, ma'am. सबसे पहले शुरुआत करते हैं. So there is a lot to talk. So let's begin. मैम एक रूटीन क्वेश्चन जो हम अक्सर रखते हैं. Tell us about your journey here in the career so far as counselor and fashion faculty and mentor. Please tell us.
Okay. It's been almost 10 years, I guess. Since the time I joined, I loved to grow. So I loved teaching and sharing that knowledge and helping students, because initially when we started with fashion,
Yes.
it was a very limited career options that we could get.
Definitely.
And slowly, I mean, it's evolved to another level and there are a lot of options. So I would I love to be a part of this evolution that has happened in fashion, in the journey of careers, in the journey for students to experience so many different careers and different in this field.
Definitely. So how do you feel like that earlier there was a no scope of fashion? But what was actually that revolutionizing phase और एक तरह से कि हाँ भाई ये revolution था, ये period अलग था हमारे लिए और ये था एक मार्क जिसके बाद इंडिया में fashion को बहुत seriously ले लिया जाने लगा. सोचने
Yeah,
लगे उसके
I
बारे में.
mean, it just grew क्योंकि हमारे टाइम पे ऑप्शंस कम थे. लाइक हमारे टाइम पे इवन इफ यू सी देयर वाज ईदर यू बी अ ग्रेजुएट, you do commerce, you do arts,
Arts.
you be a chartered accountant, you be a doctor, or you be a lawyer.
Oh yes.
Okay, so that grew, and with that even fashion evolved. There were a lot of so I think it's basically social media that helped a lot. And plus the exposure was very different during our time and now. So I generally counsel students whose parents are doctors and lawyers, chartered accountants, and they are lost. Will even they survive in this industry?
Okay.
Like what is offered to them?
Because they actually the mindset is like
Yeah.
that they only think that you want to be the engineer or doctor or lawyer. So your life is set and your goal is set. Actually, you are having the economic condition and the better
Yeah.
financial condition also.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, is it difficult to actually make them understand that what you are telling and actually what the students can become in the future?
No, I
This
mean,
course.
see, they are very open about, they are not aware of where it can lead them. They just want that obviously, if I have a child and I want my child to grow in whatever field they choose. So that's their basic concern is, will my child grow in this field?
Oh yes, definitely.
Yeah.
The
So
most
जैसे
important.
हमारे टाइम पे सिर्फ फैशन डिजाइनर था, कोरियोग्राफर था.
Okay.
So it was a very small setup. Means उसके beyond, or you would have your own store or your boutique.
Oh yes, oh, boutique.
हाँ. अब things are very very different.
Okay.
So there are a lot of opportunities now.
The important question with that, how do you perceive the role of the sustainable fashion in today's industry, and what initiatives do you believe are crucial for educating future fashion professionals about sustainability?
So I think it's very pivotal to understand sustainability, and obviously there is COVID के time से it has started, and the general understanding of sustainability is what कि जो तुम्हारे पास है वो पहनो.
Okay.
Okay, or you don't buy new stuff. But actually there is a lot more to it, which like we need to educate people on
Yes,
that,
definitely.
and obviously professionals also by adding a lot of subjects and that we can
Some flavor also in the costume, or then actually they can be so much creative with that.
creative with what you have. Use of capsule wardrobes, like all that. Sustainability matlab recycling nahi, there is lot of other factors involved. Yeah.
Oh.
So basic understanding is recycle kar lo jo tumhare paas hai.
Oh, great. That's very well. Okay. Fashion often reflects societal values and challenges. That is the important one question. In what ways do you encourage students to explore cultural diversities and inclusivity in their design concepts and presentation?
Uh, I would want them to study more about the culture, like mixing cultural with, like, having that inclusivity of technology plus respecting the craftsmanship also.
Oh, definitely. So there is the fusion. There should be
Yeah,
the
you
fusion.
have to have the fusion because you have to respect the craftsmen. You have, like, they need to survive, they need to live good lives because they're putting in so much of effort.
Oh, definitely.
And generally artisans को recognition बहुत कम मिला है. So that the genuinity in that plus yeah, so I think it should be a mix of both technology and the craftsmanship. So that would happen only if they are culturally aware of so many things that are out there, like, if I talk about India, it's an heritage of textiles.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, please also tell us and our students about that. That especially in the fashion world, there
Yeah.
are, I think, a lot of careers, not only the fashion stylist
Yeah.
or fashion designer.
Yeah.
So और इसके अलावा और कौन सारे careers हो सकते हैं और किस तरह से वो काम कर सकते हैं? Please tell us about that.
So there is definitely fashion designing that everybody knows of. There is styling that, like, I know of these new students who हमको stylist बनना है.
Oh yes.
Because they are so attracted to the glamour of being a stylist.
Oh, yes.
But there is a lot of hard work involved in that. It's not as easy as it looks.
And I think sometimes you are also, if you are being a stylist, so especially आपको कम से कम जो सेलेब है जिसको आपको हैंडल करना है उनके टेंशन बहुत सारे झेलने पड़ते हैं.
Of course,
You have to be
of
so much
course,
calm
of
and
course.
composed and with patience.
Yes. Plus garment ढूंढना है उनके हिसाब से, body types, like it's a lot of hard work.
And actually, with the different festivities, different festivals, and different award
Yeah,
functions,
yes,
we need
yes.
actually different clothes.
Looks,
Altogether.
clothes that they need to create. Plus, the other options are like, fashion photography for sure, which was always there. Then there is PR. PR, like if you're handling a brand. So the public relations that you maintain for that brand. So आज brand create करते हैं. Like we see so many brands on social media. Every day there is a new brand of clothes.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so you need to relate to the people. So, like, there is social media marketing, which is very important, which is open for students, like, fashion students. There is PR management, which again, you are managing the brand, okay, which is again taken over by students. There is events that you are handling, like there are fashion events,
Oh yes. Show
choreographer. So, the options are really too many now.
Now the vast.
Yeah, बहुत सारे, and these are options like, fashion coordinators, fashion counselors. Today, आज fashion forecasting is very big.
Very-
आज forecasting के बिना you will not know how to design a collection. So forecasting with different trends, future trends, future colors, textures. So plus textile designers also have a very good option, like, creating prints, creating designs, creating embroidery designs. So the career opportunities are really very vast. Like you can really survive comfortably, or you can really make very good money with the kind of work you do.
So you actually always wanted to be the fashion designer, stylist.
हमारे
You
time तो
always
ये
wanted to
option
be
ही
in the faculty
नहीं.
only.
No, I had never thought I would end up being, like, this was never a planned journey. I basically took it as it came. Initially, I was an entrepreneur for the longest time. I had my store for around 12 years.
Wow,
फिर
wonderful.
I thought I was getting stuck, because this is a field that keeps evolving, like I said.
Yes.
So I wanted to be out there.
Being like stale, or you thought that there's no creativity now.
No, it's just basically you're meeting the same set of people. जैसे आपके clients बन जाते हैं, फिर वो clients के through और clients आते हैं. But there are, in Mumbai, like if you have a store, there is a constraint of where you are placed. So obviously everybody cannot reach you.
Oh yes. Definitely.
Okay, so it's just that you were meeting the same kind of people. Means I love to meet more people, and I think the more you meet, the more you grow. So and this just came by, and I just took it up, and I just loved it.
And actually continued.
Yeah.
Continued. Okay. Whom you wish to give a stylish touch in entertainment industry? If you would be the entertainment industry and actually you are designing some costume for someone, or maybe for the celebrity?
Okay. I would love to style. There are so many, but I would love to style somebody who was like, and fashion like Rekha, obviously.
Actually, glamorous diva.
Yeah, glamorous diva,
Evergreen
and I think
fashion.
she can carry off Indian looks. Nobody can touch her in carrying out her Indian looks. The beautiful, and she does like
Even
she does.
elegant also.
Yeah,
Yes.
and she's a mix of both. I mean, with her Indian looks, to style her with the Western garments, it would be a like it's a dream come true.
Dream come true. There is the combo of the tradition and the modern.
Yes.
ओके ग्रेट. अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस और हैं मेरे पास करियर के साथ साथ, और करियर से इतर कुछ क्वेश्चंस और आपसे अब मैं पूछूंगा,
Sure.
स्पेशली अबाउट योर डेली रूटीन. ओके, डिस्क्राइब योर typical day as a fashion faculty and fashion mentor. What is the coolest part of your daily routine? Then apart from that, कि अगर आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ भाई अब तो लेक्चर खत्म कर लिया, that was the coolest part. But apart from that,
Daily routine, okay. Working out, doing my yoga.
okay,
Yeah,
that is actually coolest part.
very cool.
Not in the classroom.
Not in the classroom. And clearly, when my students, I know they have understood what I've tried to deliver. That is also a different kind of a satisfaction and really a very happy part of me.
Okay, great. Can you share a funny mishap or unexpected challenge you have faced in your role as a fashion faculty?
As a fashion faculty, yeah, when all of a sudden I was thrown into something which I was not aware of.
Thank God, actually, you are
And-
not talking about that today.
No.
Actually, you
Today
came
I've
up with-
managed it's my experience through the years. But there have been instances, when I had never done something like that and there was no going back. I had to do it at that. So
That was
like,
also
yeah.
Good hair also. Today. Okay. What is the most heartwarming reaction you have ever gotten from someone who experienced your profile work?
Heartwarming, like people reaching out. So I have been a mentor to a lot of married women also.
Oh, wow.
So the warmth that they show, that you understand where we come from, and and imparting this kind of knowledge or sharing these important tips was obviously really
Encouraging. at
touching.
that time.
Yeah.
Okay. Describe your ideal creative adventure or project related to your profile work, and sky is the limit.
Clearly. So projects that I have been mentoring students for the Bombay Times Fashion Week,
Oh, wonderful.
or helping students to get ready for for their Lakme collection.
Oh, yes.
So all that is,
It was actually altogether challenging at the same time.
yes, very challenging, because हर time कुछ नया देना है. Plus you have to see to it that whatever you create is commercially viable. Okay, it's like,
Not only on the paper.
yeah. And today, if I'm doing an exhibition also, every time you have to give something different. So you cannot limit yourself, okay, I will just do this. You need to keep being innovative and
Keep going, actually,
yeah,
keep doing the
find,
creativity.
yes.
Such something.
So
you-
at times it gets very, very challenging, because sometimes you feel कि अभी इतना हो गया, now what?
No,
Now what?
actually.
So it's just that you have to keep getting very innovative, and I think experience has been good so far.
So especially, what do you think about the creativity when actually someone is doing the creativity but on the name of the cringe content or something like that, or what do you say about the Urfi Javed or something like that? I mean, they are doing the creativity, or actually, I always sometimes think that, is it the creativity or is it what? I don't know.
So with
What's your
her,
opinion?
it's a little, I would say, mixed,
Okay.
Sometimes the ideas that she uses are really, really good, but I don't know whether she's trying to showcase her ideas or she's trying to create another, persona about herself. So it's a mix, but like some of the ideas that she's created garments from has been quite creative, I would
Well,
say. Like
definitely
she's,
there should be the limitations of the creativity.
like
or what?
she's, no. So like when you have avant-garde fashion. So avant-garde fashion is like when you're pushing the boundaries and creating something, but for a cause.
Of course.
Now, for this, I don't know what the cause is, but some of the garments created are definitely like pushed and out of boundaries and pretty
Yes.
creative. Yeah.
It was creative. Okay. So, what was a great piece of advice you got in your career when you were starting?
that this is, it's, you have to keep being creative. You can never stop being creative, and you have to keep growing and changing with the
The times,
times. Yeah, yeah, like,
Wow, nice.
and this is like, fashion is a evolution by itself. It keeps evolving, so the changes move really fast, so you
Yes.
have to be adaptable to
Adaptable.
that. Yeah, so today, if I might be old school, but I have to adapt to the way things are changing and the way fashion is evolving
yes,
at this
definitely.
point of time.
Yes.
Yes.
ओके सो मैम अब ये तो सबको पता है कि अब फैशन इंडस्ट्री में आने के लिए लोग फैशन के लिए कोर्स करते हैं
Yes,
बट
yes,
एक्चुअली
yes.
इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू बी द फैशन डिजाइनर नाउअडेज
Yeah.
और कई सारे जो लाइक में फैशन वीक है या फिर लाइफस्टाइल फैशन वीक है इस तरह के फैशन बॉम्बे टाइम्स एज यू मेंशन्ड अर्लियर वो जो फैशन वीक्स होते हैं वहां पर हर नए डिजाइनर को एकदम इजीली एंट्री नहीं मिलती है या तो
Right.
स्पेशली आपके पास कोई जैक होनी चाहिए कॉन्टेक्ट्स होनी चाहिए समथिंग लाइक दैट सो व्हाट दे कैन डू नाउ क्या उनको कहीं से कुछ ग्रांट मिल रही है और समथिंग लाइक दैट सो दे कैन मेक देयर सेल्फ
So
establish
see, there
themselves.
is a Gen Next platform on Lakme Fashion Week,
Wow.
which is for all these new upcoming designers.
That is a brave step.
Yeah, yeah. So that's a good step from Lakme. And besides that, if you want to set up, say, a store, or there is the India Seed Fund for startups that's started by the government, or the government Mudra Yojana,
Yojana.
yeah,
Pradhan
Pradhan
Mantri
Mantri.
Yojana.
So with that help ho jata hai, and with the new startup, the India Seed, lot of business have already been funded very well with it. So I think that would be a good step, and clearly, if you can find investors for yourself,
That is
so
very good.
maybe your legwork has to be really, really strong.
If you
Research
find-
has to be good.
Finally found the financer for the
Yeah,
investor.
yeah.
That is good
Research
for you.
has to be good, because there are so many brands which have developed that way. Because people are ready to invest if you, so like Shark Tank dekhte hain.
Shark Tank, yes.
So
they
they're
can
just
also watch
different
that.
things. Yes, yes,
Great.
yes.
All right, so there was some questions related to your field, लेकिन अब मैं लेकर आ रहा हूँ हम लोगों का interesting rapid fire round. I think we all are ready for that, and you are all ready for that.
Yeah,
So all
sure,
set?
sure. All
Great.
set. All
Okay.
set.
So it is also been the fun round. Let's start. Your favorite fashion icons, Zeenat Aman or Simi Grewal?
Zinat Aman. Versatile.
Favorite contemporary fashion designer, Masaba Gupta or Raghavendra Rathore?
Raghavendra Rathore.
Okay. Favorite all-time classic, white shirt and blue jeans or white salwar kameez?
White shirt and blue jeans.
That is actually mine too. Okay, but actually I prefer the t-shirt.
Yeah.
T-shirt.
That gets more casual.
More casual. Okay. Preferred form of wear, pant, suit, I mean the corporate suit or sari?
Both, I think.
It
If I have to
depends,
choose
actually.
one, yeah, on where I'm going.
Okay. Choose an stylish Indian politicians, Narendra Modi or Shashi Tharoor?
Narendra Modi for sure.
Okay.
Making statements all around the world, like it's such a proud moment for us.
Okay, yes. Okay. Or in the fashion sense, your preference, Ranbir Kapoor in Animal or Ranveer Singh in Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahan?
Ranbir Kapoor in Animal. I loved the look.
And especially with that one,
Which
jab wo
matched
dhoti
his
pehanta hai,
career.
kurta pehanta hai,
Yeah.
especially red shoes with that.
Yeah.
That was the stylish.
It really matched his character so well.
So well. Oh yes. Preferred fashion magazine to browse, Harper Bazaar or Cosmopolitan?
Harper's Bazaar. Always.
Okay. Favorite contemporary fashionable actor, Siddharth Malhotra or Kartik Aaryan? I mean, you can also choose. You can also add your options. मैंने दो में से एक दिए.
Of course, Siddharth Malhotra. Yeah, without a doubt.
Okay. Best period costume, Aishwarya Rai in Jodha Akbar or Deepika in Padmavat. Even actually, I am also adding Madhubala and Mughal Azam.
Madhubala and Mughal Azam. I
Again,
love,
epitome.
like, all three are really, really good. Difficult to choose, but Madhubala was anyways the epitome of beauty, and yeah.
Definitely.
So with due respect, clearly.
Okay. Best costume, actually, you have also told that, and you have given the answer. So now, preferred career choice, fashion designer or fashion consultant? This is a tricky
Fashion
one.
consultant. Yeah, now over the years, I think fashion consultant.
Preferred fashion era, the 1970s or contemporary?
Contemporary because keeps growing, changing, evolving, versatile. So contemporary always.
Okay, there is actually more questions also. What's your favorite tool or software for your profile work? For your work?
Yeah, clearly Illustrator or Adobe Illustrator, CAD, obviously.
Yes, okay. Coffees or tea while working on your project?
Coffee always.
What is the weirdest thing on your desk right now related to your work? I mean, not this desk, I mean to say, on your desk.
Uh, I think my phone. I don't need it when I'm working.
Thank God यार, मतलब आजकल तो यही लगता है कि
हाँ.
जब एक बार फोन चालू हुआ तो फोन से चिपक कर रहेगा और उसके
Exactly.
बाद ये
Yeah.
होता है.
Which is not required.
सीखो कुछ सीखो, हम लोगों को एक्चुअली सीखने की जरूरत है यहाँ पर.
I
सभी
try
लोगों को
not to. I try not to. That's why I make it a point that I'm saying that is the weirdest thing lying
So
on.
try not to do that, especially when you're on work.
Yeah.
Okay. Mountains or beach for finding inspiration for your project.
Depends on my mood. Project के हिसाब से.
Okay. One word to describe your creative style as a faculty or as a person.
As a person.
Okay. So I mean, can you give us one word which actually reflects you or your quality?
Which reflects me. Okay, fun loving.
That we have seen.
Yeah, fun
That we have
loving
seen.
and yeah, I think fun loving and modest.
Okay, yes, definitely. Okay, if you could only use one color for all your projects, what would it be?
One color for all my
But
projects.
actually, you can't take black. Otherwise, you would say black.
Yeah.
Black is a
Okay, white then.
Okay, white. Okay. What is the last book or movie that inspired your creativity?
Creativity in fashion.
Creativity in fashion. Okay.
Okay. Not a specific movie, I would say, but I love the series Bridgerton from Netflix, where they've taken so much inspiration from the Victorian era.
Oh wow.
So, I mean, it
I
was
love those
really
first
beautiful.
inspirations.
Yeah, they were
Right.
beautifully done and very minute, like all very minute details added to it.
Okay. Early bird or okay. Pardon me for this, especially we are doing the continuation. Early bird or night owl when it comes to working on your project?
Night owl.
Night owl. Okay. What's your ultimate goal as the faculty or as a fashion designer or as a person in one sentence?
In one sentence, to encourage more, like more students to guide
To
them
fulfill
in
their
the right,
dreams.
to reach their goal, to reach their dream. That would give me ultimate happiness, and obviously keep growing, always keep growing.
Okay, so all right, it was Mr. Shanabilla with us in Creative Canvas Exploring Career Series. Be with us, stay tuned. Thank you so much.
Thank you.